Welcome, students. Yesterday, in our second episode, we saw that writer says it was difficult to rob Anil because Anil was most trusting person for him. Further, writer says it's easy to rob a greedy man because he can afford to be robbed, but it's difficult to rob a careless man. Sometimes he doesn't even notice he's been robbed, and that takes all the pleasure out of the work. Writer says it is easy to rob a greedy person because he can afford. Why he can afford, we'll see later on. First, one more point is there. Writer says, when we rob greedy person, it gives pleasure. And when we rob some honest person, it doesn't give any pleasure. It takes pleasure out of work. Means what? Some of you have habit of teasing small kids. Why you tease small kids? You know, when you tease them and when they cry, you get happiness. Not all of you. Some people, they have habit what? Making cry small kids. And when small kids cry anyway, they enjoy that crying. Likewise, some thieves are there, they enjoy their robbing. For some thieves, what we can say, robbing is necessary for their, what we can say, survival. But in this society, there are some thieves, they do theft, they do robbing for enjoyment. Means they rob person and afterwards they see how that person feels. And if that person cries, they enjoy that cry. Here also writer saying same thing. What is interesting work? When we rob greedy person and when that greedy person cries, that is interesting work. And here one more point, writer says, greedy person can afford to be robbed. Means when somebody robs greedy person, that greedy person can afford. Afford means what? Sustain that robbing. How he can sustain that robbing? Because greedy person's mind always says that no problem. Somebody has robbed your this much wealth. You can earn in your life again. That is why it is said, greedy person can afford to be robbed. But an honest person cannot afford to be robbed. Because the tendency of earning more and more is not in honest person. On the other hand, robbers cannot enjoy robbing honest person because honest person never cries for robbing if somebody steals his things. He feels bad. He feels sad, but he never cries for robbing. Well, it's time I did some real work, I told myself. Writer told himself. What did writer tell himself? Writer told himself that now it's time I did some real work. See, what is the sentence? It's time I did some real work. Means here simple past tense is used, but meaning of this sentence is different. What is the meaning of sentence? Well, it's time I should do some real work. Now writer says, it's time I should do what? Some real work. Real work means what? My work, my job. And what was the writer's work? What was the writer's job? Writer's job was stealing, robbing others. So writer says, now it's time for what? My real work. My real work means what? For robbing, for stealing. Means now I should do what? Robbing. And writer says, why I should do robbing? Because I am out of practice. Because I am out of practice. Means what we can say, writer is supporting his act. Which act? Act of robbing. How is supporting? If I will not rob now, then I will be out of practice. I will be out of practice means what? You know, singers, they do what? Practice. Practice means riyaz. Daily do that. They do that riyaz. Why daily do they that riyaz? Because their voice quality should be good in condition. Their voice quality should improve more. Even though cricketers, they do daily practice. Why do they do daily practice? Because the time when they will stop their daily practice, they cannot perform very well in the game. In the same way, writer says, it's time. What? I am out of practice. I am out of practice means what? For so many days, I did not rob anybody, and practice of robbing is now what? Now stopped. And if I will not keep on practicing robbing, then one day I will forget what? Robbing. That's why writer says what? I am out of practice. See, means even though robbers also need practice, if they want what we can say command on their work, if they want to go command on their job, they also need what? Practice. Just supporting. Actually it is what we can say speaking in humorous way, in a comic way. And if I don't take the money, he will only waste it on his friends. And again he is supporting his act of robbing. Means how it is justified. How robbing Anil is correct. Writer says, if I will not rob Anil, if I will not take that money, then what Anil will do? That fellow will waste that money on what? His friends. So it is better I should rob. In compared to wasting money on friends, what is good? I should rob that money. Means writer is justifying what? His robbing. After all, he doesn't even pay me. And here writer says, and after all, I am working for him and he doesn't pay me. Pay me means what? On what condition writer had joined Anil, and on what condition Anil kept writer with him? That condition was Anil had told to writer, I would give you only what? Food, not salary, not payment. That's why writer says, after all, Anil doesn't pay me. Means he does not give me what? Salary. That's why whatever I am doing with Anil, it is what? Correct. Anil was asleep. A beam of moonlight stepped over the balcony and fell on the bed. I sat up on the floor, considering the situation. Now, writer is telling about that night. Which night? When Anil had brought that bundle. So after evening, when night was there, writer says, Anil was asleep. Means Anil was sleeping. A beam of moonlight stepped over the balcony and fell on the bed. Means Anil used to sleep inside the room. Outside the room what was there? Balcony was there. And moon's light fall in that balcony, and from that balcony's tiles, it reflected on whose bed? Anil's bed. Means moon's light could go inside the what? Room. I sat up on the floor. I sat up on the floor means obviously writer used to sleep in the balcony on the floor. So in his bed only he wake up and sat up. I sat up on the floor considering the situation. Now here what is meant by considering the situation? Here considering, see what is the meaning of the word considering? Here considering means thinking. Considering the situation means what? Thinking about situation. Thinking about what we can say his planning. He sat on the what? Floor. If I took the money, I could catch the 10:30 express to Lucknow. And here writer says, if I take the money, if I steal the money, I could catch 10:30's Lucknow express. Means the town where Anil was staying, from that town one train used to go to Lucknow, Uttar Pradesh, and that train was called Lucknow Express. Means writer thinks, now if I steal this money, what can I do? I can go to railway station, and from railway station I can catch that train, Lucknow Express, and in this way I can escape from this town to directly where? Lucknow, because Lucknow is what? Very big city, and there nobody can find him easily. Slipping out of the blanket, I crept up to the bed. Sleeping out of the blanket. Sleeping means what is meaning of sleeping here? Coming out of the blanket. I crept up to the bed. I crept means what? Creeping means what? Walking on hands and knees. Writer went to Anil's bed, but how? Walking on hands and knees. That is called as crept up to the bed. Means went up to the bed, but how? Walking on hands and knees. Anil was sleeping peacefully, and when writer approached to Anil's bed, Anil was what? Sleeping peacefully. His face was clear and unlined. And after going to Anil's bed, near his bed, writer saw just Anil's face. Actually, Anil's face was to opposite direction on bed. When writer went to what? Bed. When writer came to bed, what? Anil's face was in opposite direction, but Anil saw his face. What type of face was there? Unlined. Now, here what is meaning of unlined? Without stress. Means the face which has stress is called as line, whereas the face which has no stress is called as unlined. Actually, it is related to act of stress, because when we are in stress, when we are in tension, automatically wrinkles come on our what we can say forehead, and that wrinkles are called lines. Means when person is not under this stress, when person is not in the what we can say tension, his face is always plain. There are no lines, there are no wrinkles and folds on his face. But when person is in tension, there are folds, there are wrinkles on his face. Here writer says what? Anil's face was unlined. Unlined means what? Without stress. Even I had more marks on my face, though mine were mostly scars. And in compared to Anil, I had what? More marks. Marks means what? Signs of stress, like folds, wrinkles, signs of stress. And mines, he says what? And mine were mostly scars. Mine were mostly scars means what? Actually, scars means what we can see, the marks which come on the what we can say our face, our body, because of some wound, because of some injury. The marks which comes on our face or on our skin, that marks are called scars. But here meaning of scars is what we can say different. Here meaning of scars is deep. Means writer says Anil's face what? Unlined, means there was no stress on his face. But on the other hand, there were lot of marks on my face. Marks means signs of tension. And they were scars. Scars means what? Very deep. These signs were what? Very deep. Why these signs were very deep? Because writer was fearful. Why writer was fearful? Because he thought that if Anil catches me while robbing, then what would happen? That's why writer says, my marks were what? Very scars. Scars means here deep. My hand slid under the mattress searching for notes. Writer says, my hand slid under the mattress searching for notes. Now, what is meant by slid? Slid is past form of slide. My hand slid means what? My hand moved under the mattress. Actually, my hand moved under the mattress means hand did not move on its own. Writer moved his hand under the what? Mattress. Searching for the notes. My hand moved under the mattress. What for? Searching for the notes. When I found them, I drew them out without a sound. Writer says, when I found them, I drew them out. Drew them out, I took them out without a sound. Anil sighed in his sleep and turned on his bed. Anil sighed in his sleep and turned on his side towards me. Means, when writer came to Anil's bed, writer was sleeping outside in the balcony and Anil was sleeping on the bed. When writer came to Anil's bed, Anil's face was what? In opposite direction of writer. Anil's face was in what? In opposite direction of writer on the bed. But as soon as at that time, writer was shocked. What does writer say? I was startled and quickly crawled out of the room. And as soon as Anil turned his face, Anil turned his side from opposite side towards from opposite side towards writer, writer says, I was startled. Startled means what? Shocked because of fear. Why? Because he thought, now if Anil opens his eyes and if he catches me red-handed, then what? And because of he says, I was startled. Startled means what? Shocked because of fear. But without wasting lot of time, writer quickly crawled out of the room. Writer quickly crawled out of the room means what? He went out of the room. He ran out of the room. When I was on the road, I began to run. I had the notes at my waist, held there by the string of my pyjama. And writer says, when I was on the road means what? When I came out of the room and when I came on the road, I started to run. And I was running and I was running. Running and running. I had the notes at my waist. And while running, where did I keep that notes which I stole from under the Anil's bed? I had. Means writer had kept that notes where? On his vest. Now, how at the vest he can keep? At the vest he had kept. At the vest means what? Inside the vest. He had kept by tying that notes with string of pyjama. Now, Anil had tied these notes to the what? String of pajama, and then he had kept what? At his waist. Now what we can say string of pajama? In Marathi or in Hindi it is called as what we can say nada. You know nada, pajamas. In those days trousers were what we can say, what type of trousers were there? Buttons were not there. Strings were there. Nada, and people used to tie that pajama with that string. So here writer used that string for what? For tying bundle of the notes. Why? Because while running, that note should not fall down. That's why he tied that notes with what? String of pajama. I had the notes at my waist held there. Held there means what? Tied there by the string of my pajamas. I slowed down to walk and counted the notes. And writer says, after running for long distance, I slowed down. I slowed down means what? I decreased my speed, and in place of running, I started to walk. But while walking, one thought came in his mind. What thought came in his mind? I robbed the bundle of notes, but I should see how many notes are there. How much money is there? How many rupees are there? So he says what? I slowed down to a walk and counted the notes. And counted what? Notes. 600 rupees in 50s. Now see, writer says what? How much money was there? 600 rupees in what? 50s. Means total 600 rupees were there. But in 50s. In 50s means what? 50 rupees notes. 600 rupees were there, but all this money was there in what? In 50 rupees notes. Means all together, how many 50 rupees notes might be there? Must be there? 12 notes. 50 rupees, 12 notes. So all together, there were 600 rupees in 50s means what? In 50 rupees notes. I could live like an oil-rich Arab for a week or two. And writer says, I could live like what? An oil-rich person. Oil-rich person means what? Who are called oil-rich? Arabs, those who are from Arabian countries and who have their oil wells, they are called what? Oil rich Arab. And oil rich Arab for a week or two. Means he says with these 600 rupees, see period near about what we can say independence. In that period, 600 rupees means lot of money was there. My grandfather used to tell me near about 1947, 48, 49, near about that time, one sack of 100 kg wheat. One sack of what? 100 kg wheat used to come only in 2 rupees. Now you can calculate value of 600 rupees. If there was what we can say sack of 100 kg wheat for 2 rupees, then what might be value according to what we can say today's value? though there is not lot of increase in what we can say in the prices of what we can say uh, agriculture material, but that much value money had in those days. So writer says, for a week or for 2 weeks I can stay, I can live like what? An oil rich Arab. Means how oil rich Arab they live their life. Their life is very luxurious. Lot of money they waste on their what we can say life. Even their cars, they are made up of what we can say gold. Some days before I read in newspaper, some Arabs they made their toilets which are made up of gold. In short, what? These people they live very luxurious life, and writer also says, I can live like what we can say, my life like an oil rich Arab for a week or 2 weeks. When I reached the station, I did not stop at the ticket office. I had never bought a ticket in my life but dashed straight to the platform. And writer says, when I reached to the what? Station, I directly went on the what? Platform. I did not stop at ticket window, ticket office. Why I did not stop at ticket window and ticket office? Because it was not in my habit to purchase ticket. And I never purchased ticket for what? For traveling by railway. Actually, robbers, why he will purchase what we can say railway ticket? You know, today many people are there who travel without ticket. Now, there are some categories who travel without ticket. Number one, gundas and robbers. They don't follow rules and regulation. That's why they don't take what? Railway ticket. Number two, beggars. Whenever they travel by railway, they don't take railway ticket. Why? Because they don't have money. And with this, one more category is there. That is some college students, they travel without ticket. Not all, some. Now why they travel? They have money. Just for enjoyment. Just to what we can say, to play trick. How we can deceive TC, you know. And when such type of college boys, youngsters, they travel without ticket, they just enjoy it. When TC comes from one side, they run to other side, or when TC comes from other side, they will run to one side. And they means enjoy. See how we are what we can say deceiving that person, how we are troubling that person. And on the other hand, they think, and whatever money will be saved in this way, we will keep as a pocket money, and with that money we can enjoy. Means some college youngsters are like there who play such type of trick. Some, not all. and they don't play for whole life, for some days, for some times, because many of them they make their future bright, and afterwards they don't do such type of thing. But writer was not, neither beggar nor college boy. Who was writer? Writer was in robbers category, and we know that robbers also never take what? Railway ticket. Likewise, writer says, when I came to railway station, I did not stop at ticket office. I directly went to what? Platform. Platform is where train stays. The Lucknow Express was just moving out. And writer says, when I reached there, the Lucknow Express was what? Just moving out. Means Lucknow Express has started just. And the train had still to pick up speed, and I should have been able to jump into one of the carriages, but I hesitated. Writer says, when I reached to platform, the Lucknow Express just had started to move. It just had started. It did not take that much speed, means with very slow speed. Even though anybody can board in the train easily, with that speed, that train had just started. And writer says, I could enter easily in the one of the carriages. Writer could board easily in one of the carriages. Carriages means what? Compartment, box of the train is called as carriages. Writer says, though Lucknow Express had started, but it started with what? Very slow movement. I could enter train easily, but I hesitated. Hesitated means what? The situation, dual mind, suppose. Situation of mind, dual mind, we say not dual mind. Whether I should enter or not enter, whether I should enter or not enter, such type of situation of mind is called as hesitated. Means writer thought that, should I run away or not run away? Should I run away or not run away? And in this way, in this thinking, writer did not enter in the train. Writer did not board in the train. For some reason I can't explain, and I lost the chance to get away. And writer says, I could board in the train easily, but I did not board. Why? I don't know. Some reason was there why I did not run away from that town. Some reason was there, but I can't explain what was the reason. Why didn't I escape from that town by Lucknow Express? And writer says, and in this way I lost the chance to get away. I lost the chance to get away. Get away means what? To run away. Why it happened? How it happened? We will see in next period. Today we will stop here. Dear students, in first video I had appealed all of you to click on subscribe button. If you have not pressed that subscribe button, then press today. And if you have already pressed, then you need not to press again and again for each and every video. Only once. Afterwards you need not to press that button. But you should click on like button for every video. With this, today we will stop here. Tomorrow we will take next part. See you. Take care.